Protect, repair dry and irritated skin. Exposure to pollution, UV rays, irritants, toxins, disinfectants as well as cold and dry radiator air gradually strips away moisture from your outermost, protective layer of skin. This lightweight, non-greasy formula absorbs rapidly to shield your skin from moisture loss and helps to retain natural oils. For eczema, dermatitis and psoriasis, our shielding lotion is an effective eczema hand mask and works to protect and restore affected skin and helps dry cracked hands repair. There's no need for eczema gloves and other limiting treatments. Our silicone glove hand lotion offers excellent protection around the clock. Just a few applications will get you through the day. Hand cream travel size. A travel hand cream for women that fits in the smallest of pockets, so your hands stay moisturized and protected from the elements. Imagine wearing your hand treatment mask every day without having to make time for a spa treatment. Vegan, cruelty-free. Our hand repair treatments is hypoallergenic and free from fragrances, parabens and mineral oil. Every ingredient is on the FDA's most safe list. Deep moisturizing healing with natural ingredients specially developed with nourishing extracts from nature, arnica, comfrey, chamomile, yarrow and vitamin E. The waterproof hand cream protects even with regular hand washing. Every bottle is made with love and care in the USA. The ultimate nurse hand lotion. The most sought-after nurse lotion that protects against dryness and skin irritation from regular washing, sanitizing and disinfecting. Our waterproof hand lotion is the ideal lotion for nurses' hands as it provides a protective shield for 4 to 12 hours even with regular washing and disinfecting. Ideal silicone glove hand cream to rehydrate your hands. Lotion for healthcare workers. Top reviews from the United States. Actually helped. I've used both the regular lotion and the botanical one now. I am not sure I've seen any actual difference between them, but they do both work as intended. I pick at my cuticles and skin horribly, which is made worse by dry skin.